These little babies. That's that Star just kind of putting up with these little babies. Hi everybody, Charles Miller, German Shepherd man, out with these little 5 black German Shepherd puppies. They're fabulous. Got their little ears up, some of them. Doing a little tea. Look at these babies, wow. It's 2 boys and 3 girls. They're on the website, GermanShepherdman.com, and they think they want to nurse, and Star's like, no, 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 no. I am a milk-free mama. Look at these little babies, wow. Great health check at the vet. They like to chew grass and sticks and things. Look at these babies. Here's one over here. Let's see what we got. Look at these babies. Yep. The real deal German Shepherds right here, babies. Babies, babies, babies. Just thought I'd bring this to you. It's a beautiful morning. Having a great time with the puppies. Hit my website, GermanShepherdman.com.